Assalamualaikum student. In previous video, I explained how to set up my software. So here is I have exam server. All these services are stored and need to click on admin. So here I have PHP my admin. Need to refresh it. Okay. Here we have a database of our e-visa processing file project, and whenever I type localhost e-visa processing, then I have my software. Is our application. First of all, that is a front end. The front end page is index.php. Every application, the first page is index.php. If we write index.php, then it's okay. If not write, then it's okay. So the next step is how to open my code. Here I need to click open folder, and I have my software in exam htdocs. I need to choose the folder, and then I have my on coding. The next step is I need to write uh, the database name is in our configuration file. We have two configuration file. The first is configuration file in config.php. The next file name is configuration for file is admin configuration folder. But first I need to open the index folder. That is the index page. Here I have a code for our image, like I write the title of my page, and the next I have an image, header image, just only one image I write, uh, I include in my main page. So that is the main code which I write for my header. Like here you see COVID header 2, the name of the image. I need to open the images folder. Here is images folder, and that is main header which I use for my front page. Okay, and just small description. Here is a small description which I write down. I am able to change that description anytime. Next page, apply visa. Here is I have an apply visa and appointment schedule page. First I need to open the login page. Here is a login page. Login page name is login.php. Login.php. I need to include header file, and here is a login coding. Whenever I click on login button, this coding call. This coding check is from user table. This email and password exist or not. From user table, this password and exist or not. Here is a coding of HTML coding of our text box email. Here is a coding of our text box of password, and that's a coding for HTML button. Okay, so first I need to write the HTML coding. Then whenever click on submit button, this code call and this query work. Check from the user table this email or password exists. If this email and password exist, then it's work. Like I already added a user u and password is u. So simply this is login, log out, then again home. The next step is I open this in another browser. Like if I open this software in another browser, then session totally not totally got out. Okay, right now I need to set up a new user. So here I have a file where I have a page register.php, the same page as like login. Here I have first HTML coding, like I have a username, email, password, these text boxes, and submit button. Whenever I click on submit button, all the field from front end, whenever I write username, this will post to this variable. So I get all the written words in my front end. Like I write user n, and here I write the email usern@gmail.com, and here is a password user n, whatever username I like. Register. Whenever I click on register button, here is I got a small error. I need to check. Okay. Uh, Now I write the name of user one or user n whatsoever. User n. I think user n is better. Maybe the other name of user is exist. So here is user n, and when I click on register, I need to check my user table. Here is I have the details of my user. Let's log in that user n, and this user login. Whenever this user is login, I need to I am capable to apply for visa. Like here I need to write the passport number, select the country, here passport validity date like to 2013. That's the expiry date of my passport. Preference detail, any preference detail, and payment which I made for my passport. Then click on submit button. Whenever I click on submit button, the data of apply visa is stored into the visa table. Okay, I need to check at backend the last record of visa table, but this visa is not approved. For approval, we need to go toward the visa approval person. Okay, so I need to check the coding for this apply visa PHP page. I need to open apply visa PHP page. That's a apply visa PHP page. Every page have the HTML coding. Like here is HTML coding, passport validity, previous offense detail, and whatsoever many other detail. Okay, so at the end when I click on submit button, the save button coding I think work. Yes, that is a save button is set. Save button 19 number of line, save button. Okay, I obtain all the details which I write in my front end, and then I need to check the session customer email. If session is empty, then it alert us the user need to log in, and whenever everything is just fine, uh, our data inserted into the visa page. Like insert into visa, this pass, this country name, this is password validity, payment, username, everything is insert in the visa table. So that is a insert query. Here I write down insert visa record query. Okay, so that's the main query who is inserting our visa record. Okay, same. uh, Now I am able to choose the my slot category. I need to choose slot category. I write down the name, date, like I need 7 date. Here I need to choose the in time and the out time. Okay, and description. I will attend to obtain visa, anything. Okay, so when I click on submit, uh, the appointment schedule is saved. This page name is app schedule. So let's go to our app schedule page. That's a app schedule page. Okay, the same page, below the page we have a coding, a designing coding like appointment date, appointment time. Appointment date is appointment time is input type is time, so that's why it's time, date, and here other things I write down. Okay, whenever I click on the button name is save. Here is a button name of save. When I click on save, the same front end record obtained in these variables, and here is an insert query. Again, here is an insert query for insert record of appointment. Like this is scheduling our appointment. That's in another requirement is achieving. Okay, so whenever this will done, record saved into the table name appointment schedule. Okay, so the same way, I need to go toward the admin page. Here I have a user of admin. Username is admin and password is 123. But first I need to go toward visa officer. If I want to register the visa officer or passport officer, then I have an option of register back to login, but I already have a visa officer VO already added. Visa officer need to log in. You know the administration record in admin table. Okay, here is a I have an admin officer. Here is a passport officer. Okay, so visa officer get login and approve the visa. Okay, whenever I approve, this visa approval is done. So the page name is manage visa in admin folder. Here you see admin folder manage visa. So I need to open the admin folder. Here is the admin folder and manage visa. So that's a manage visa screen. Here I have a table. You see that here I have a table, all the table headings in my front end, like these are the table headings I set up, and then table rows. These are the table body. This is a table heading and it's a table body, and I need to check the session is admin. So I obtain the record from admin, like we need admin record email. So that's a session checking. Whenever I confirm the admin is login, then I need to also check it's a admin or visa officer, because only admin and visa officer have right to see these screens. So here is the main query. Here is the main query. To obtain all visa detail. This obtain all visa detail from database. So here I am obtaining all the detail from database. Select study from visa. Okay. And whenever we all have results in result field, then I need to check the result. Until result is not empty, show one by one record. So here I am showing one by one record, but I associate my ID to my approve button and unapprove button. Whenever I click on unapprove, the coding this button will be called approve time, update visa as approved, and unapproved time, update visa as a cancel. So whenever I click on approve, visa is approved. Whenever I click on cancel, visa is cancelled. Okay, so that's the main coding of approving and cancelling. So here is an appointment option. The same page, manage appointment, approve, it's approved, cancel, it's cancelled. So I approve. Okay, so here we also have a option to add country, add store, just like registering, and manage, like uh, manage store form, add slots. Here we have a add category slots, and if I talk about many slots, so there's the option of many slots. Whenever I click on delete, it's deleted. So that's a simple codings you need to understand. Every form have name and it's searchable also. Like I type here any form name, like manage visa, so the form name is available here. So you can search the form name and everything. So I use VS Studio Code and exam server. Okay, thank you.